Okay, hello and welcome back to this channel. I especially invite PG and PhD students to this channel. Please subscribe because the content here is relevant for those who are interested in scientific paper publishing or writing research papers. So some other people also ask whether what are the advantages of submitting to a subject specific journal or a generalized journal such as computers and electrical engineering. So this is a very general thing. More general is the Journal of Science and Technology. Okay, so this is at least computers and electrical engineering. Somewhat specific. More generic is Journal of Science and Technology, and more specific than this is a particular subject, digital signal processing. Okay, so if you go for a generic journal like Science and Technology journal, so you may not get sharp review comments. There may be more chance of acceptance. People or the reviewers may not be experts in your subject. They may have general knowledge about the particular subject, but they are not experts in your field, and therefore acceptance may be easy. On the other hand, there is a drawback also that since they are not experts in your field, they give generic statements and they may not appreciate how much hard work or how much novelty or how much creativity you have shown in your paper. Okay, because they are outsiders, they cannot understand how much efforts you have put in your paper, right? Obvious. Okay, so that is one disadvantage, and due to that, they may, since they are not able to appreciate how much hard work you have done, they may think that there is no novelty and they may reject the paper. Okay, so they want to play safe, right? Because suppose if I am a reviewer, I know in general about communication, 5G, 4G, 5G, and different types of wireless communications and antenna systems, etc. But I am not expert in those fields. I can be expert in only one of the area in that, like antenna array signal processing, but I am not a expert in all the fields, right? So I cannot give expert comments in all of them. I can give generic comments like English is bad, or organization of the paper is bad, flow is bad, figures are bad, something like that, and I can reject the paper. So yeah, that is your personal choice, but in general, in the long run, if you are considering for a career in academics, like you want to become some assistant professor or something, then it is better to have your paper in subject specific journals such as DSP, or here you have seen applied acoustics, or International Journal of Electronics and Communication, or signal processing. So if you have this kind of subject specific journals, it will add a value to your resume in the future. People will think, will see that okay, this fellow has many papers in the expert journals or a specific journal, subject specific journal. So his work may be standard. Okay, so that kind of impression will build if you submit to a standard journal. So I think this more or less covers the contents which I wanted to discuss in this video. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Take care.